I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today we are going to talk about the vocabulary and the rhymes. Okay, the vocabulary of today is the first word is cupboard. Cupboard is the place where you can put the glass or the sugar or something like that. For example, I put the glass in the cupboard. The next word is fetch. Fetch. This word is, for example, Tim trained the dog to fetch the ball. Okay. Tim, in this case, Tim and the dog go for the ball, but Tim trained the dog to fetch the ball. And the third word is goose. Goose. The goose walk around the lake. Goose. Goose. Okay, continue watching the video for more explanation about the rhymes, please. What are rhyming words? Two words rhyme when they have the same sound at the end. For example, bat rhymes with cat. Okay, you need two words with similar sounds. This is a text with similar sounds, with words with similar sounds or rhymes. For example, 1, 2, sky so blue. The word 2 rhymes with blue. 3, 4, the birds want more. In this case, 4 rhymes with more. 5, 6, watch clouds drift. 7, 8, the moon is late. Okay, all the words at the end of the sentence rhymes with the next word at the end of the following sentence. The activities are Educa play and find words that rhymes with the keywords on page 80.
See you tomorrow and remember, eat fruits and vegetables.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of